What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I want to challenge myself for 30 days to upload one YouTube video to YouTube. So I'm going to go over a few things of why I want to do this, and also my motivations and what I think it'll do to help my channel, and also with helping me with a better schedule of time. So Happy New Year's, everybody. That's bringing in the new year, and thank you for all your support over the last couple of years, and just let's get another year going. So I've noticed I will not be very consistent with YouTube at all, so I will actually post like 1 or 2 or 3 videos back to back, or you know, 3 videos a week, and then basically stop for like a month or 2 and then not make another video for a while. And I'm not really sure the cause or the reason for it. I think just sometimes I get busy with everything that's going on and I just don't do it. So this 30-day challenge starting today, so this technically probably would be the first video because you will be watching it today, January 1st. And so for the next 30 days I am going to be uploading one video every single day, and hopefully get it uploaded before, I'd say, 12 o'clock a.m. Right now it's 10:48, and once I'm done with this, upload it, and that'll be number 1. The reasons why I want to do this challenge is because, one, it's going to help me to just make videos, like talk about finance, talk about investing, talk about the things I want to talk about to you guys, and really engage in the YouTube community, hear your comments and what you guys want to hear and watch and see and stuff like that, and then I can go from there also. The second thing, it's going to really help me to one, not look like an idiot to all you guys on the internet. I have to hold myself accountable and make sure I follow through with this 30-day challenge. And 2, I think it'll help me kind of overcome this thing where I think every video has to be perfect. It has to be perfectly edited now. It has to just, make sure that all my points are accurate, and I think that gets overwhelming and time consuming, especially editing. And so this is just going to be, raw footage. If there's a few videos edited, great, but I don't want to get into too much of it if it's a video every single day. But that'll also help me to build a schedule, say, hey, I can record at this time to upload at this time, and again, hold myself accountable to you guys who are watching. I have 1,000 subscribers right now. I think we're at 1,065, and growing, and you guys are here to support me, so I got to give you some awesome information. For everyone that knows, I like to do investing specifically with REITs, or real estate investment trusts. I think they're really awesome to get into. They have to pay 90% of their dividends to shareholders, and so you can get some really good profits through dividends monthly or quarterly. And I also talk about some real estate stuff, and talk about some credit and different things. So if you guys like that stuff and you are watching this for the first time, check out my playlists. I have everything in there that you would need, stuff to start you out on investing for beginners, like key terms, and how to buy and sell and trade stocks, what to look for. I also do strong buy videos, which show my stocks I've reviewed, and share with you the information that I've gathered on why I think that's a strong buy. We go over Robinhood, the app. We go over Yahoo Finance, current news, old news, trends. We check out the technicals of the company, how much money they have, profits, earnings per share, PE ratios. We go over all that in the stock reviews to give you information that you might be looking for and not sure where to go to find it, and I share with you all the websites and everything. So that's probably one of my top viewed videos, are the strong buys and the dividend videos, which is awesome. And so If you guys like that kind of stuff, feel free to comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And you guys have a great day. We'll do a 30-day update, January 30th, final last video, and we'll see how it goes.